Good morning and happy Saturday, guys. So, today is my parents' 27th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary to my mom and dad. I hope you live to see many more together in love. So, take a look at this recipe here, guys. Yo, I did a lot. So, today, what we're doing, we're making some honey butter biscuits, and it's the Church's chicken biscuits, y'all. If it is you are custom buying from Church's Chicken, you know you love their biscuits, right? So this is the recipe I saw online, and it's fairly easy for anyone to make. I will put the link in the description box so you can see all the measurements as to how much stuff you need for all your ingredients and all of that. But just take a look of this recipe. It's so simple, really is. As you can see here, the dough is kind of sticky. That's the kind of consistency you're looking for. Then you can add it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. So here, guys, this is the honey butter biscuits, the Church's Chicken copycat, and this recipe actually is really good. So I'll put the link down below so you guys could follow the recipe and make it for your family or for yourself. Recipe to make the golden syrup that I use for the biscuits. So, I'll put the link underneath for you all to really see how to make it. What is basically sugar, water, and you would need some lemon juice. And that actually helps with the golden color and it lasts long. The thing about me, I like to prepare everything from scratch so I could control the amount of sugar and how much starch and fat and all of that is being added to it. So that's why I prepared from scratch, just like how the recipe showed. So yeah, that breakfast really tasted good, guys. So here's the recipe here. It's telling you how much sugar, how much water, and how much lemon juice you need. So I'll put the link down in the description box. So don't forget to check the description box. The entire recipe will be there, and everything else, links to other things, will be there as well. So to a pot, I'm adding some water, and then I'll add the sugar for the golden syrup. I mix the sugar and water until it totally dissolved. As soon as it started to boil, I added my lime juice. And then I add the fire on low. I made sure I buttered my dish thoroughly. And I scooped in my biscuits. It doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, the ones that are more jagged actually taste way better with all those grooves. You can always make your dough for the biscuits the day before so it could be nice and chilled. These are all the biscuits that I made, and you can see they're not perfect, but man, these biscuits taste really good. So now I'm gonna do the scrambled eggs. So I already cut up some onions, pimento peppers, and I also did some garlic. Now always remember to put a clove of garlic in your oil. I wish you guys could actually smell this right now. The entire kitchen smells so good. Love to saute my veggies. So I added some black pepper and salt to the eggs, and I'm whisking it briskly. Okay, so the eggs are finally finished. So now let's check back on that golden sugar. It really looks like honey. Wow. And after 45 minutes, this is what you get, right? So I drizzled it over the biscuits. So imagine those warm biscuits plus a nice syrup on top. Oh my word. This is it, y'all. You really need to try this recipe out and let me know how it was and how your family or your loved one reacted to it. That would be so nice. So this is the anniversary breakfast, and they also got coffee, weight loss coffee, and they really enjoyed it. It's my mom and dad's wedding anniversary, so I want to make a little flyer for them, and I always use Canva to do majority of my creations, like flyers, videos, anything you name it. It's easy and it's free. If you want the paid version, you would get the pro effects with different features as well. You could do, right? But majority of this stuff is free. That is what I really like. So I'm gonna make a anniversary. So let me say search for wedding anniversary flyers. So they will come up with some templates that is easy for me to use. So I search for which one I like. Oh, this one is really cute. You click on it and you could do it. Now I'm doing this from my phone. You could do this on your laptop, whatever device you want to do it on. You could definitely do it. You could even download this app from your Android device, iPhone. I'm sure you could get that in the iStore. So it's the same thing, right? Right, so this is it here when it's loaded. Now when you see the X's on the background, that means that's the paid version. So you could delete that and change it to what you want. Okay, let me redo that. Yeah, so we could delete it and add what you want. So I could click on the writing and I could add in what I want. So it's very easy, guys, and you learn by just trying different things and doing it for yourself. You would definitely see how easy it is. It really is that easy. Look, it is their 27th wedding anniversary, so I added that in. Ancil and Phil. Let me put Phil and Ancil. Phil and Ancil. Now you could change the font to whatever you want it to be. So say I wanted the writing a little thicker than that because that writing is a bit too thin so people could see it, right? So you could change to whatever. Now the ones where you see the crown, that is the paid version. You could pay for that in Pro. So you click and you press on what you want to create, right? And change the writing and stuff. So I'm still looking for a writer. Let me pause this. Right, so now I got the writing that I want. I don't want it too fancy so you could see it. Now this picture here is not my parents, so I'm gonna delete it. I just click on it and delete image, but I'm leaving the frame there. So now I'm gonna upload a picture. I press the plus and go to uploads. And I'm gonna upload some media here now. So it goes to my folder on my device. So this is a photo that I had already removed the background, so I'm uploading it right now. So let it upload. So you can see many of the pictures here. I uploaded it because I use Canva a lot to do many things. I use Canva to make my YouTube thumbnails. I also use it if I want to make my YouTube video. It all depends on what I want to do. Any flyer that I'm making for my business, I personally use this Canva too. So I'm gonna add that picture there. So now I'm gonna crop it. Right, done. So now this picture is going to be in the center here. Now seeing that it has that circle and I don't need to, let me go back. I don't need that circle anymore. Delete that circle. Right? So you see how it's coming along now, right? So you could tweak it, you could change it however you would like. Make it bigger. So that's my parents, by the way. So I can make any sort of flyer with these Canva app, right? So let me add a background there now. Just now. Okay, my battery power is going down. Well, don't worry guys, I would finish this before my battery dies. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a background. So I click on plus and I go to photos and we're gonna search for anniversary pictures. Let me put wedding anniversary. Let's see what it gives us. So you see all the different options. The one that write pro, that is when you do the paid version, you would get those. So I'm looking for something simple but nice. Let's see. Oh, this is nice with the red flowers. Right, and now you make it big enough for the entire page. Right? And you will see how it will literally take the entire page in a few seconds, right? So you see how nice it looks. Okay, so that's it for there. I could change the writing to be brighter, you know. So you see how easy it is. Within seconds or minutes I did this flyer. It's not difficult. Now I'm going to change the color of that writing to blue. Okay, now white will show better. Alright. So you see how simple it is, and it even like centers everything for you. Really easy to use. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some elements, and let's see. Rings. So now you're making it stand out. So you're adding some rings on the side, and it's these simple details that really make a big difference, right? Let's see what else they have. Okay, how about let me search for wedding and see if it have wedding bells or. Okay guys, so this is basically done right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna download it. So I'm clicking download. Right, and then I'm gonna click download again. Now you want your picture to be in PNG, which is high quality image, so it will be nice and clear. So I'm gonna download it there now. That's it, already downloaded. And it asks if you want to share it to WhatsApp or anything like that. So you can share it to all your different social medias. You can share it to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, you name it, everything connected on your phone or your device. You could share it from there, and it's really simple. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this short vlog today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy what you saw, I would like you to like, and I would like you to also comment in the comment section and hashtag anniversary. So if I see that, I know you watched it straight to the end. So thank you all for watching, and do have a great Saturday.